Hello and welcome to another glass of bubbly video. My name is Oliver Walkie and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make the Sailing Pear Cocktail. So let's get started. First you're going to want to grab your rum. Liqueur. This one is from Manchester Drinks and it's ginger and pear flavour. Lovely. So you want to get 25 ml of this and pour that into a cocktail shaker. Then you're going to want to get your apple and pear juice and get 60 ml of this, so 50 this side, and then just 10 more there. That's done. I'm going to give this a little shake just to mix it all together. I know there's only 2 ingredients, but it's nice to get them combined. So when that's done there, you're going to want to pour that into your glass. And then you're going to want to top up with your sparkling wine. Now this is Teranova Penina from Slovenia. And this one, oh, it's got a different cap there. This bottle won a bronze medal in the light and fruity category at the World's Finest Glass of Bubbly Awards 2019. You're then going to want to top up with your sparkling wine, garnish with an umbrella, and then a slice of pear. Enjoy! See if this just so red. Don't mind.